Happy Friday everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the March Planner Society kit. And what I have here are all 4 kits, which is the main kit, the Box Sticker Society kit, which is an add-on, the Sticker Society kit, which is another add-on, and the Washi Planner Society kit, which is again the last add-on. And if you're not subscribed yet, I will have all the information below for you, to see where you can subscribe and how it works. But let me first take everything out of the packaging, and then I'll show you everything that is included in this gorgeous sub box. And I'm back, and that took quite a bit because actually there is so much included in this box. It's huge. So this is the beautiful packaging again, and as always I say you can salvage this, you can totally laminate this, use it for covers. I always do that if I run out of paper, so do not discard this. And you can use it for storage, but of course you can use it as a cover for your travel notebook or whatever, dashboard. Now, the first thing that I always love to share is the papers, because they are the foundation of the kit, and you get basically the vibe of the whole set. And as you can see, we get actually 4 pattern papers and this gorgeous cardstock. So I'm gonna start with that first. And the cardstock is actually very smooth and kind of silky this month. I love this soft pink, pastel pink with the lavender, and this is a gorgeous combination. So these two together are simply stunning. And then the next pattern paper instead is this light blue, but I love how the lavender is being picked up, and the pink and the soft pink, and then the green. And then I love this because this is kind of the contrast, and it almost brings out all the colors more, when you kind of juxtapose the black and white with that. So I just love the geometric design as well. And then we're going back to the pattern that is actually on the packaging. It's just a slightly smaller, and this is beautiful, the white background. And then let's look at the swans. I think I found my favorite paper. This is it. I love swans. I think this is adorable, and I love this color. It's a gorgeous blue turquoise, or whatever you want to call it. And then we have the specialty papers, and this is the first vellum, which has the gorgeous swans on with some gold foil little dots all over it, and it's stunning. This is gonna look beautiful. And every time I look through these with you guys, I haven't seen them actually in person, so I'm kind of you get my immediate reaction. And then we have this beautiful floral with, I think this is rose gold foiling actually. Gorgeous, very beautiful. Love the purple. And then we even get an acetate. And acetate are so hard to find. And actually, no, it's two acetates. Look at that. So this is a gorgeous kind of like very simple, black on the clear. And if you layer it with one of the beautiful papers, it will just be stunning. And then we get this rose gold, and apologies about everything is starting to fall, of course. This is the same geometric design, but with the rose gold on it. Sorry about my lights, they're gonna reflect everything, but this is stunning. And not only that, but you also get this beautiful paper. So this is like you have this trim, you can cut it in half, you can use it on your dashboard to layer your things. But I love the size because this is so much more this is very easy to use, to adjust to any size of planners that you use or for your project. Now, next thing up is something that really caught my eye immediately as soon as I open it, which is this beautiful little what is it called? It's a sticker album, and it's just, you can store all your sticker from the Planner Society wherever you want. I love the color in the background. I love the little swan in the middle because it's just too cute. So I'll be using this for sure to store all my Planner Society sticker kits, but also I use them to actually store my next item, which is one of my favorites from Christy, which are these adhesive pockets that have pattern, they're a printed pattern on them. And what I love about it is that she gives you 2 sizes. So you're gonna get the small size like this. So if you have more like a personal size planner, or you have like a pocket, this will work perfectly. And then if you have a larger planner like a B6 or something bigger, you get also your option. And so these are just perfect. Love them. And I stored those in one of those little sticker albums as well. And then another one of Christy's items that I just love and I never have enough. And these are the edges, you know, they're the glitter edges. So I use these in my setups to give a little extra detail to my dashboards. They are beautiful. I just double them up and they are perfectly, you know, coordinated with these bow tabs, and you have bow tabs in a large size and bow tabs in a small size, so they will work with your planners. And these are actually available in the store, in Christy's store, in other colors. And then we have some adorable little accessories because we want to match everything. So we have this beautiful bow with the little charm, which is the little swan charm, the pearl with the Swarovski crystals, and you can, you know, attach this to the front of your planner, or where did it go? Here we go. I almost lost it. You can also transform this into basically a lawn charm. So you're just gonna put your little hook over here, and now you have a dangling charm. So if you want to put it on top of your traveling notebook, you can. You don't have to use it necessarily in the front. And then she gives us more charms, and actually this is the one. This is a beautiful clip with the little swan again, pearls, crystals. And also I found this one. Now I don't know if this was an accident. I should have checked. But there's also another charm with the swan, and so you can use this as a little charm. And I just love it. I love swans, so there's never enough swans for me. And then a beautiful pen, of course, because we want to have a pen to coordinate with the little charm swan there, and it's got the liquid in here, it's got the little sequins going up and down. It's beautiful. I love actually the white enamel on it because it's very fresh, so it just reminds me, you know, so perfect for spring, right? We like everything kind of neat and new. And then this is one of the new items that Christy has been adding to the new format of the Planner Society kit, and I just love them. These are little sticky notes, which are perfect, but can we talk about this one? I mean, this has to be my favorite. I'm gonna just untie it so it'll be faster. My favorite notepad. This is just beautiful. I mean, you can use it as a notepad, but you can also use this in your planner. You can laminate it and use it as an erase board or something, because this is just too pretty. I love the house. It's just adorable. And continuing on the, you know, talking about houses, I think this maybe is my favorite new item because these are just stunning. So we get these every so often. So these are kind of like page markers, and so we have these cute houses. They are in this very kind of like a laminated feel kind of cardstock, so they are sturdy and they are very shiny. They're smooth. I love these colors. You can make them into a little pocket page marker. I have actually tutorials on how to use those. And then we have them in this beautiful vellum version, so you can actually kind of like double them up, laminate them, and then you create yourself a little pocket if you want to. And then we have it in the larger size, which is probably my favorite just because you get even more details, right, on the houses, and they are just so pretty. I mean, like, I'm just trying to think, you could turn this into cards, you can make them into you know, something else. Don't think just planner related, because these are just too pretty. Even just inside a frame, honestly, they are so adorable. I love these. I mean, seriously, I can't wait to play with them. And then another item that we always have, which are the little tabs. And I always say I don't use the tabs, but they're very cute. You can use your little tabs here, and they're all color coordinated enough to use the whole month. But what I use are these stickers that you're supposed to put on the tab, but I just use them. I put them in little pockets inside my planner, and I just love them. They're clear stickers. And then something else caught my eye. I look at these. Are these amazing? These are puffy stickers. The vibe of it, it's so perfect for spring. At the same time, there's very, the design are just I don't know, very refreshing. I love everything about it. I love every single one of them. You know, house has to be the favorite as always, but these are a lot of puffy stickers, so it's, you know, we're getting more and more. And then more stickers, and these are just clear. as you can see, but they have like, they're 3D, so they are black with these little dots, and you have all the words you want. And these I always use in my dashboards, you know, or yeah, mostly in my dashboard. Actually, you can use them on page marker, etc. And if you're scrapbooker, you know, in your scrapbook layouts, etc. And then another thing that I love, and I never have enough, are these what is called page top, and I guess they're like toppers. So they're words basically. So you can see this notes, month. I use these to make my page marker, so I put them, and I love this purple. I mean, this is stunning. So you can use them on your page markers, and you can you know, change them up. I store them all together because I change my page marker every month with my layout. And then we have die cuts because, of course, and Christy gives us a ton of die cuts as always, and these are just perfect. It's everything you need. Now, if you love the die cuts, but you are not maybe in love with the size, you wish that they were bigger or smaller or whatever, there's always the option of purchasing the digital kit on the Etsy shop that Christy has. If you search on Etsy under Christy Tomlinson, you'll find her Etsy shop, and she has all the papers and all the die cuts on there. And what I do is sometimes, you know, I want them a little bigger or I want them a little smaller, so I will just reprint them. There's also extra designs. Oh, this is my favorite because I am a tea lover. I have a little bit of a tea obsession. And so this is definitely for me. And then, oh my goodness, the swan, but I just saw this. A little house. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I just had an idea. Okay, I just thought of something. And the watering can and the teacup, and then we have them a little bigger. And then we have these gorgeous kind of quotes. So I love that it's a different, you know, usually they're square, and this is beautiful. It looks like they're framed, you know. Weeds are flowers too, once you get to know them. That's true. There is nothing in nature that blooms on your own, so don't expect yourself to do so either. Like wildflower, you must allow yourself to grow in all places people thought you never could. A flower does not think of competing to the flower next to it. Amen to that. I believe in you, words that water flowers. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. So that's so true. And I love this, you know, positivity and positive thoughts. It's always good to have. And then we have this washi tape, which is included, which is beautiful white background with the gorgeous pattern from the paper. And then it has little tiny dots of silver foiling on it. And I love, love, love it. So this was it, guys. This is a lot of stuff. But let me unbox the other kits, and I'll be right back, and I'll show you the add-on. So this is the main kit. And I'm back, and the first add-on that I want to share with you is the Box Sticker Society. Now, the Box Sticker Society is something that I love because I plan in a planner that uses Erin Condren inserts. I get my inserts from any plans, and this is the perfect format for me. Now, this is 4 sheets of stickers, and they are arranged so that you can actually use them in your traveler notebook. They have a little indent there, so you can just fold them over. And the first sheet you'll see, it's the full boxes, so you get 8 full boxes with all the gorgeous design, and then there is beautiful silver foiling, and then on the bottom you get a couple of bow stickers and then a couple of flags. Now next up we get something that we all need, which is some washi, and then we get quarter boxes and half boxes, and I love how the half boxes actually have the little silver bows on it. I hope you can see them. It's a little difficult to show under the lights. And then we have the days of the week, we have headers, we have icons, we have trackers and more bows. So you get a ton. I mean, you got your whole, you know, weekly setup. And of course, we always need some little checklist boxes, you know, so they're beautiful. They're all in coordinating patterns with a couple of more hearts and then icons and then some flags. So this is the Sticker Box Society. Now, if you are more like you know, like I don't need all those stickers. I don't want to, you know, decorate the whole thing. Or if you need more, let's say, we have the Sticker Society, which come in this beautiful wrapper, and this is more stickers, and you'll see. So it's more of a functional style of planning, and I'm actually going to use this in my Hobonichi weeks, which should be arriving any day now, and there's not going to be that much room to add all those. So those stickers I'm going to be using for my B6, and which has, you know, clearly more room. But these stickers instead, these are just going to be perfect because you just want a little something. The silver foiling is stunning, so you just have like a little, you know, like a lot of these days of the week, a lot of quarter boxes, more days of the week, more icons, more little saying, you know, and then washi, tiny washi strips, trackers, mini flags. This is perfect actually. And then more little checklist, more to-dos, and I love this little, I use actually these a lot. I create my own little checklists, and then I just love these. I always show them because you can't tell what it is, but this is just a little header like that, and it's so sweet with more flags and everything. So this is instead the Sticker Society kit. And then if you are a washi addict just like I am, you're gonna need the Washi Society kit, and usually I unroll it, but I just love the way that they look all together like this. Like they come packaged in one you know, packaging, and it's just so beautiful as it is. So you'll get this cute 5mm, which has that geometric design. Then you get this 10mm that has this gorgeous foiling on it, so it's a soft pink background with black and white flowers and silver foiling. And then, of course, the swans with alternating bows in silver foiling, and it's just beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of the Wedgwood designs, you know what I'm saying? And then this gorgeous, I can never remember, how big is this? So if this is, it's probably a 30, because this is 15, a 30, but all together they are just stunning. So these are the add-ons, guys. So if you are interested, and this is all that came in all the boxes, if you are interested, make sure to check out the Planner Society website, and I will have the link below, and I will try to have some sort of project or a setup. I have received this gorgeous, actually let me share it with you guys. Let me put it over here, sorry guys. Here we go, this gorgeous planner, and I think it deserves to be set up. And I just love how the black and white, you know, there's a lot of black and white pattern. There are colors, but there's a lot of black and white here, and I think this will be perfect for this. I think it's a perfect transition for spring. So I may just do a really quick setup and share it with you guys if I am so, you know, otherwise I will have something smaller, but I'll try to set this baby up for you for next week. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. If you have any questions, it's easier if you DM me on Instagram, but otherwise leave a message. I don't usually check messages below, but DM me on Instagram at Planning Fancy, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.